Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And today I have ordered something which we are gonna unbox in a second, and then we are compare this model car, diecast car, to the exact same casting but from other brands, and the other brands are Matchbox and Hot Wheels. With nothing else to add, let's get started. Oh, you can already see it. Nice. This is my newest addition to the collection, the Mini GT Miju and USA exclusive, limited one of 4,800 in the world, Pagani Huayra Roadster in blue Frontier. And yeah, this one looks absolutely incredible. Why does it rattle? I don't know, and I don't care, honestly. It's such a great casting. Okay, now you can obviously probably guess by the car model, or by the car, which car and which diecast model we are gonna compare today. This is the special one because this is the newest one to the collection, the Pagani Huayra Roadster in blue Frontier. Then we have the Matchbox Collector's Edition Pagani Huayra Roadster. It's pretty much the exact, these three cars are, as I said, pretty much the exact same car, only the brand which made them and published them is different each time. And the last but definitely not least is the Hot Wheels Pagani Huayra Roadster in this blue color, but I also have it in white as well. So we have 4 cars to look at: white, white, blue, blue. And yeah, for me personally, all these 3 or 4 I should say are on the same exact level of how much I like them. I obviously love the car, love the casting itself, the Huayra or Huayra. I hope I pronounced this right. Today, instead of comparing them to each one, we are gonna look at how each brand with each budget they had did the casting differently to the other. This is not a comparing. I'm not seeking for the best brand which made the best car. No, I myself wonder actually which one of these 3 is what these 3 differentiates, because this one cost €3, €1.50, because I ordered this one online and bought this one in the store. This one was €8 or €9 and this was €17. So I would like to see what the development of the price from €1.50 to €17 makes a difference in detail. I hope this all makes sense. So yeah, obviously we are gonna start with the Hot Wheels Pagani Huayra Roadster, and here we have this nice stripe that goes across the entirety of the car. We have some interior design simply because it's a roadster, so you must have the interior. The lights are a remake, I guess, of the lights was printed on, but not the lights itself, I would say. But we have rear details and lights, which is really nice. Little Hot Wheels logo and Huayra Roadster. And yeah, overall this is a really great casting, and I absolutely love this one actually. So yeah, the base I honestly don't really care about on neither of these cars, because I'm gonna display it like this, not like this or like this. For me it stands like this or like this in a showcase, so I don't care if down here I have paintings and everything. I care about what is on the upside. So yeah, obviously we are gonna take the blue one as well, and I think both of these are from the 2023 Hot Wheels mainline, and the white is from the blue recolor, or the blue is from the white, whatever, because same rims, same art style pretty much, and I would argue that we have the exact same details all around the car. So yeah. I like actually this blue and gold. I like that one, this combination personally, better than the white and black one with the gold stripe. Because here this gold stripe is fitting very perfectly to the interior, whereas over here the interior is completely black, which, yes, you could argue is nice as well, and this one is definitely nice. That is not meant in any disrespectful way to this one. This is still a great casting, but I prefer this color over the white personally. So yeah. For €1 or €3, €1.50, €3, this is a really great mainline casting, which I would collect every day if I had the chance to. But yeah, this one is a Hot Matchbox Collector's Edition number 3 of 20, as it seems. I don't know if there are more than 20, but maybe from the first series of it. I don't know. Yes. Do we see? From 2021, I guess. I'm not really sure actually. And this one comes in a neat little box with, and this is, I think, pretty much the exact same packaging you get when you have it, except that it isn't open, and mine is open, because if you watch some older videos of mine, you know that I had this car loose all the time. And yeah. One thing that I want to say is that this box is logically empty, and the plastic doesn't fit inside of here in any way, shape or form. You would probably have to cut it somewhere with your scissors to make it fit. Wait. Yeah, no. It's not meant to be like that. So, but you can always display it like this, obviously. I like to display it in my showcase like this, to the side. Maybe you have seen it at one of my latest showcase videos, in which I used the showcase actually. So yeah, the car itself is white again with black details, not the golden stripe, which I actually quite like. Button details, as I said, nothing, because I don't care. This one is, but I would argue this is still plastic, metal and rubber tires actually. So you see a development in the price already, and you have some finer details like the exhausts are painted, which did not happen with the mainline obviously. And you have a little, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, a little Pagani logo and name under it, and of course Roadster and Huayra on the rear lower side. And you may can see it from this side already, or from this side. No, from this side not, but from this side. This is actually an opening part in which you get, if it stays open actually, in which you get a quite detailed engine bay. So yeah, here you can see the tires again. The tires are, as I said, rubber. And I think if you put it down, you can actually not see. Okay, you would have to know where to look to see actually the hinge, which is actually quite nice. From this side you can obviously then see it, but from the bottom you can't guess it. From the rear not as well. Wait, no, the exhausts don't come up there, but this is really nice. Only thing which I personally don't like is that it doesn't stay up. Actually, if you probably pull hard enough on it, it stays up there, but I don't know what it does to the hinge, how much stress it produces on it, and I don't want to break it, to be honest. So I rather display it like this. If it actually... Hello? Did I not break it? As I said, I don't want to break it. I hope not. Did I break it? Wait. No. Did I? No. Yeah, no, if you let it leave like this, obviously it looks weird. You have to plop it back in, but that is not really easy, and it goes really in a harsh way, which I personally don't like. But oh well. It looks really nice, and I quite love this one. Obviously, again, interior. The dash is actually a bit detailed. Is this the same? Yeah, on the main line you have the dash as well. Yeah. If we compare them to, can you see? Except the gloss finish on the Matchbox Collector's Edition, you can actually... the Matchbox has a bit more defined ribbons on the seat, but otherwise I personally don't see too much in a difference. But really nice. The lights obviously are printed on, but really nice. What I'm gonna say right now is maybe not good for the video, but I would like to keep this one sealed because I don't have it double yet, and I like it as it is right now. But one thing we can already see from the 150 to 8 euro to 17 euro costing is the difference in size. As you can see over here, it probably stops, and the Mini GT is, I don't know if I can probably display this for you, but the Mini GT is maybe 2 or 3 millimeters longer than the Matchbox car, and the Matchbox is how big is the Matchbox compared to the Hot Wheels? Is the Matchbox the smallest one? The Matchbox is actually the smallest one, which I don't know why that is, but with the looking at it like this, you may not see it. Only now comparing it directly, you may see it. And this one is obviously an true scale 1 to 64 casting. The Hot Wheels isn't, and the Matchbox is not as well. Maybe this one is a 1 to 65 or 1 to 66, and this is a 1 to 67, 1 to 68, something like that. But I could be wrong, obviously. I'm obviously not going to do the math right now, because I can't do that math. So yeah. But just by looking at this, you already see a couple of crucial details. Okay, now my finger is this little side print of the Avira Roadster. The rims you can actually look through, the detailed, very detailed rear lights and mirrors, and of course the front lights as well. The front lights are actually, as it looks like, a separate piece. So yeah. So yeah, really nice. the interior. I'm gonna try to show it to you as best as I can. Wait a second. To move you guys. The interior is extremely detailed. Probably the camera can't pick it up. Ah, yes, you can. Can you? The steering wheel alone says it all. The ring around it is black, and the where the airbag is in the middle is actually in this beige interior color, which I really like, and which from what you can see from up here is also that the little clocks in the middle of the interior on the front side under the windshield is colored as well differently, and you have a very small, if it would focus actually. I probably had to take this out of the packaging to show it properly to you, but nope. A little print on there and a little windshield wiper as well, and this windshield looks incredible as well. And one thing is really nice as well. Can you see this engine bay? Yes, the Mini GT doesn't have an openable port, but you can actually see inside a bit of the car. I don't know why I'm shaking so much, I'm sorry. The exhausts are really nice. And we get the rods on the back as well. And this one is a true scale 1/64, as I said. So, really nice. And yeah. Now to recap the entire video. For the cheapest one option for €1 or €3 or €4 on the internet right now, which you can still order, by the way. Not from me, I don't have a website. I wouldn't sell Hot Wheels as well, so nope. Not from me. You get pretty much really nice and detailed casting for the price, especially. The Matchbox is a little evolution from the mainline Hot Wheels because of the opener ports, rubber tires, a little bit more detailed. And yeah, and the Mini GT is obviously, you could argue, the king, but for me it's not the king, it's for me the most expensive, but also the most detailed. So it's, this one starts off good, this gets better, and this one is great. So yeah, I don't know if this number 38 down here means it was the 38th car ever produced from Mini GT. Let me know that in the comments, and let me know in the comments as well if you enjoyed this episode, this video. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. If I missed anything, please let me know this as well. And if you are down there and enjoyed the video and watched it to the end, at first, thank you. And please like and subscribe to this channel because it helps me out a lot. Thank you for watching until the end again. And have a nice day ahead. Until next time. Bye bye.